Part 2, little Theodore balance. Okay. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how cooperative he is. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. Okay, so firstly.
Am I still Theodore?
Yeah. So let's just check. I am 100% Theodore.
100% Theodore.
And hold. Yep.
Wunderbug.
Yeah. Now I haven't stacked it in, so I'll just get you to say I am Blaze.
I am Blaze.
Hold. No, you're not Blaze at the moment. You are still Theodore. Okay, so little daddy boy. Okay, so is there a particular only give me an unlock if there's a particular bacteria that we need to find and diffuse. Hold. No. Okay, so that's good. So that tells me that whatever it is, it's not something big and nasty that, you know, like E. coli or salmonella or something that's going to, you know. So it's just a little bit of a imbalance. Let's check SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth.
What?
Hard to imagine.
What? No. Small intestine, SIBO.
SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. That's not showing up.
I was thinking CY.
Because he's not really eating any solids yet, is he? He had a little bit of... No.
He's not really.
Okay. So it's... Okay, so, well, because there's been some tummy stuff, let's just check his milk. So firstly, let's just check any run-of-the-mill cheap formula. Just out of curiosity. Hold. Okay. Hold. Hold. Okay, so you are not a cheap baby yet. So no cheap formula for you.
Yeah. I go through the aisles and I check for where there's no special. Yeah. Oh, there's
the one for him. Okay. Okay, so let's check the goat's milk. So in relation to the goat's milk, and hold.
Oh.
Good boy.
This is going to be a much more chattery, informal video than usual.
Yeah. And in relation to the 100% organic milk. Hold. Oh, darling.
How much can you do one-handed?
I could do a fair bit. I had frozen shoulder a few years ago. And we'll check the 100% grass-fed. Hold. 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 Yeah, right. So any of those three are going to be fine for him at the moment.
Yeah.
So 100% organic, or the grass-fed, or the goat's milk. And I said to Sarah that maybe even just alternate each time.
Yeah.
Because they're all going to have slightly different proteins.
Yeah.
That are all good. The goat's milk is the closest to breast milk. But I know last time it actually... You want to go down on Dad?
Whoa, you got some drool, huh?
No. Okay. So from here, let me just check in relation to his stomach energy. Hold, I'm coming down and out. Okay. Hold up. Okay, I'll pick you up again.
You left this far. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious, Bubby.
He's spitting it out. So his stomach energy's a bit low.
Yeah.
So babies don't actually release a lot of enzymes until they're a lot older, which is why breast milk is the best food. But when we can't, you need the easiest to digest.
You need the easiest to digest food.
Well, babies have automatically got a leaky gut until about 2 years old.
Ah, okay.
So it's because they're supposed to get all the immunoglobulins and immune particles from their mum and go straight out into their bloodstream.
Yeah. I'm fixing a hole where the bugs get in.
So let's just ask in relation to the stomach energy of little Teddy. And hold. And hold. Good. Now let's check small intestine energy. So we're going to check your small intestine now. Yes, we are. So that's quadriceps. So 1. And hold up nice and strong. No, that's rock solid. And hold up nice and strong. Now, because he's having valve issues, so with the valves, let me just press here for me. And then press here for me. And then press here for me. And then press here for me. No, so none of them are working as well as they should. So your valves aren't working very well, little man.
Oh no.
I might actually do them on him because that's quite a physical thing. So, belly button. And I might even teach you how to do that so you can just do it occasionally. Yeah, I know. I know. But the digestive valves, what they're supposed to do is separate different areas. So this one, separate different areas of the digestive tract. So when they're not working properly, and it's not such an issue with bubbies, but when they're not working properly, we're actually getting undigested food going into other areas where something else is trying to digest something that shouldn't be there yet. So it gets all a bit of a mess. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay, large intestine. So I'm going to check your fascia lata. Okay, this time just sit up on Daddy's tummy. So hold. Once again, just stack in. Little Teddy's fascia lata. Hold up for me. Yeah, so this is the large intestine energy. And hold up. So you can feel it's more the stomach energy and the large intestine that are the problems. Which makes sense, I suppose, when you've got a burpy baby who isn't pooping perfectly. Not that there's anything wrong with burping.
Yeah. Or anything else you might get.
Yeah, you're
not
all
that there's anything
perfect.
wrong with that.
Yeah. And hold up. Beautiful.
Yeah, if this goes
And hold
online,
up.
you'll have to point this out to me in the future.
Yes. We'll have to find it. Yes, we will. We'll play it at your 21st.
Hey, remember that time I was your surrogate? What?
Now I'm going to check. Okay, I need this hand. I'm just going to check pancreatic enzymes. They kick in. Oh, you're right. Hold in. Don't let me pull out. No, that's fine. And this one. Hold in. Don't let me pull out. Now, just out of curiosity, what did you have for lunch today?
I had pulled pork and coleslaw sandwich.
Oh, so you had a sandwich, and what time was that?
12?
Okay, so 5.5 hours ago. Now, just for fun, so I'll just show everyone the surrogacy thing. Hold in nice and strong. So that's Teddy's pancreas. Now I'll get you to say I'm now 100% Blaze.
I'm now 100% Blaze.
And once again, we'll get a lock. And now let's check your blood sugar just for fun. Hold in nice and strong, and that's a total unlock. And hold in nice and strong, and that's a total unlock. So with surrogacy, that's the cool thing, is that once you start playing around with it and you've got one human who's doing the testing for both people, you can actually prove to them that the energy shifts quite quickly when they're themselves or when they're the other person. And you know, because I've been doing it for 20 years, I just have total faith in the surrogacy process. So I know it's weird, but it works. So we're going to go on and do a little bit more balancing for Teddy. So I hope that was a little bit interesting. Thank you.